All right, y'all. So we are back. It's a little dark. Damn. I don't know. This will work. So here is my hookah setup. I tried to clean it to the best of my ability. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put cold water in the base. I'm not gonna fill it up all the way. I'm probably gonna fill it like right here. Like the water needs to be as cold as possible. And then I'm gonna put some ice in here as well. Okay, I'm putting in this ice. This is like a dupe for the ice pipe. You know how sometimes they'll do like an ice like pipe situation, but we ain't got that, so we're gonna improvise. So I'm just gonna fill my base with water. I also seen at a hookah bar they'll put like mint leaves or something at the bottom of their water just to give the water some different flavor, which I think is kind of cool. We're gonna put all this ice in here. That ain't gonna fit because it's not even frozen, or it's not even little. Okay, that one's not going on there either. All right, so I'm gonna put the base on, or the neck, I should say. Like so. So it should just snap into place. One more piece I'm missing. All right, this piece, I need to get like a thing so this isn't like moving around and like sturdy like that. This is where my shisha is. So I'm using the blueberry and the blueberry mint, y'all. And I'm gonna get my foil because I ran out of actually the covers that actually go over this. Let me put this over and I'll do it like that. I probably can cut the rest of it off and use it for something else. Alright, so we're gonna fold over like so. And you can always use y'all regular foil if you don't have those covers that go over the top. But this is what it's looking like. I'm probably not gonna focus because I have it on automatic instead of auto. We're gonna poke some holes in there. Did I throw away that? I have some toothpicks I can use, I think. Round toothpicks, yeah. So I'm gonna use some toothpicks because you don't want the holes too big. So I'm just gonna poke several holes, y'all, in the top of this. I should just speed this up because, oh shit, I'm sure y'all seen this before. All right, so y'all, the next step is going to be I'm gonna light my coals. A lot of people where they get the wrong concept of, I'm just gonna probably light it over that. No, I'm not gonna do that. I don't want to mess that up. So when a lot of people do light these hookahs, they want to light the coals on top of here when that's not something that you want to do, just because when I went to a hookah place, they said always burn your coals separate, and then when they turn white is when you're gonna want to put them on here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna burn these. Because they say if you don't, I guess you're inhaling like, I guess you would be inhaling coals or something like that they were saying. So they say it's always best to ignite the coals first. Like y'all see me doing right here. And then when they turn white is when I'm going to put them on top of here. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna put my, well, I gotta be careful because this can flip over if I'm not careful. I'm gonna put that hookah on, or the shisha on there. Ooh. And I'm gonna put both of mine. I probably should just put one. I'm gonna put two because I want the cloud to be real thick. And then I'm gonna get a piece of my foil, and then I'm gonna like make a like a cone around it just to keep that heat in. So I want it to sit like this. So we're gonna put the foil around it. Please be careful, y'all, and do not burn yourselves, okay? Because this shit is hot. I'll need some scissors. I'm just gonna clip this part off. I tried a stapler because I could have stapled it, but this is what we're gonna do. Boom, just like that. So I made like a little dome situation so that way we can keep our heat right in there. Off of the first hit, y'all, is gonna be, well, probably the second hit because I have to get the hookah started, but let's see. I need a new hose. I need a whole bunch of everything. Like, this is my favorite hookah. I don't know what happened to the actual like glass part to it, but, or the head, I guess you can call it. I don't know what happened to that. I gotta get another one. But yeah, let's see how this hookah is hitting, y'all. Okay, that was the first pull. Second pull. Third pull. All right, y'all, here is one more pull. Do you see how thick that cloud is, y'all? You can't tell me the dome, like covering up the foil, keeps like the heat, I feel like, in. You know when you go to a hookah lounge, sometimes they'll have like the lids on top of like the coals, and I feel like you get more pull too from your hookah. But I just wanted to show y'all that because I was like, damn, I was like, I've been meaning to make a video of that. I think I have one on my Instagram that I did like maybe almost 2 years ago, or was that it was last summer. I'm tripping. It's almost been 2 years. But I'm about to finish cleaning up, and I have a couple errands to run because, as y'all know, I'm having like a little gathering on Christmas Eve. So I gotta get my shit together because Christmas Eve is next Sunday, and I don't want to be last minute running to the store. Well, technically it is last minute just because it's a week prior. So I'm gonna get all my like big stuff that I need to get. And then if I need to get like additional like smaller things throughout the week, I can do that. But I gotta go to Sam's, possibly Gordon's, and then I am going to At Home because I'm getting some tables delivered, and I want to kind of decorate them. And I found like a Pinterest inspiration, and I kind of wanted to replicate that. So we're gonna see what At Home has for a budget. I'll probably go to Home Goods too to see what they have. But I'll see y'all later.